Hey YouTubers, good morning, it's Robb Moffett. Guys, I don't have any do-it-yourself project today. I thought I'd go over a few tips though, a few things I've learned this week or so you might be interested in, might come in handy. First thing is, you might save some money this way. I've been spending a lot of money on Amazon, and I go to Amazon to buy products, and I never know if the reviews are any good, if people are just lying to me. I hear stories about Amazon, like maybe some of these reviews are like they're bogus. So there's a site called Fake Spot. You can go in there and paste in the Amazon product, and it will analyze the reviews of the product and kind of give you a feeling of whether or not the reviews are true or not, or they're bogus. So you want to go to fakespot.com and plug in the name of the product that you're getting from Amazon and see what the reviews are, if they're real or not. It's a pretty handy site. You might be surprised. Um, Next thing is, I learned this week, everybody knows they can get books from the library that aren't at the library. They may be at another branch or maybe even another county system. Uh, what I didn't know until today, though, is that you can get books electronically at the library and then download them to your Kindle. So how cool is that? I'm not just talking about old books that nobody wants to read anymore, but new books that are out, recent bestsellers, and so on. So I found I was getting ready to upload a Tim Ferriss book or get it, have them order it for me online and hold it. And I found I could just automatically send it to my Kindle right there at the library. So I've been reading a lot of Tim Ferriss lately. He's got a lot of good books out that I'm learning from. And he mentioned in one of his books about a guy named Stephen Key. Stephen Key, if you have ever wanted to invent something, or if you have invented something, I should say, and you want to market it, excuse me, I apologize. Stephen Key is an expert at licensing products. So instead of working years and years on patenting something, he's a specialist in getting something to market by going to manufacturers and getting them to license your product so where they manufacture and sell it for you, and then you just get busy in making more inventions. His book is one of the most interesting books I've read in several years. If you're finding a way or wanting to find a way to make some money off your ideas, I recommend Stephen Key highly. If you're a creative, intelligent person like a lot of my viewers are, um, there's specifically a few people that subscribe to me that are extremely bright, and they come up with inventions all the time that I really think they should be looking into something like this and seeing if they could license their own products. I've been making YouTube videos for 10 years. I wish I had been making little gadgets and coming up with ideas to sell to manufacturers by licensing. Stephen, I won't talk about this much longer, but he talks about how you don't have to make even a prototype. You can make a sell sheet and just contact the companies, which a lot of these companies now are using open source, where they're actively looking for information from the public instead of just from their own product developers. So I recommend this book highly. If you've ever in your life had an idea for an invention, check out Stephen Key. You can get this book. I got it for free at the library and sent to my Kindle, so you might be lucky. Uh, he's also got for business startups too, and not just inventions. I haven't read that one yet though. The last little tip is I think people should check out Scotty Kilmer. If you don't know about Scotty, he's been on YouTube for years. He's been making videos almost daily now, and a lot of his videos he answers questions. If people have a problem with their car, he's a really big asset to the community. And a couple weeks ago, I left a question on one of his channels. Like every Thursday, he often reviews products, and then he goes through the questions and he picks one and sends the winner a product. And last week, this is what I won from Scotty. So I just want to say thank you to Scotty Kilmer. If people don't know about him, I'm surprised if they don't. But if they don't know about Scotty, check out his channel. If you got a car, you need some help with it, he's always ready, willing, able to help people. He's been a mechanic for 51 years. Also, he's a really hustler. There's a lot of very good mechanics on YouTube, and I think some are jealous of Scotty, but they're not out there making a video every freaking day for year after year and answering people's questions every single week. So check out Scotty. And also, don't forget, check out this guy, Robb. at Rob's Homemade Life. He happens to make videos every single week. Been doing it for 10 years, and he's got a lot of cool people he features on his channel. No relation to him, just kind of cool people you should know about. They don't have as many views as they should have. And you never know what you're going to find on Rob's Homemade Life. It could be how to do something, how to make something, how to buy something, save money, comedy videos that nobody likes. All right, guys, I'm going to go now. You'll have a good week, and I'll see you back next week. Right now, I'm getting ready to go out to the front of the apartment building. Somebody left a big, giant cardboard box. I'm going to make some shades for my window at night. I found out that the light coming in the window is bad for you at night. It screws with your melatonin and your health. So it's something new. I'm trying to improve myself. I found out you can improve yourself by having a dark room at night. Instead of spending $20, $30 to make some shades, I'm going to just make some covers, and maybe I'll make a video of that. But it's just cardboard, guys. It's just cardboard. That's where I'm going. That's where I'm going. All right, guys. You all take care, and see you out there.